Welcome to TechHelper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add columns on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word and then open any blank document. Now from here to add column, at first you have to create a table. So just click on Insert tab and then click on Table option and then create a table from here. And that's it. You can see a table has been created successfully. Now if you want to create a column, just put the cursor here and then right click on mouse. Then click on Insert, and here you can see two options: Insert column to the left and another is Insert column to the right, and you can choose any option to insert a column as you want. If I select Insert columns to the right, and it's done, you can see a column has been added successfully. You can also change your table design from here, and you can choose any design as you like. And that is how you can add columns on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.